Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I haven't done a Friday haul in a while, so I thought I would. For those of you that don't know, on Fridays, Darren and I have, he calls it date day, and I get spoiled. We go to garage sales when they're open, or it's season, and go to a few other stores, and usually craft stores, Hobby Lobby, that kind of thing, and have a big lunch. We had Chinese. We're loving Chinese. We're eating it with chopsticks. The idea was we're both putting on weight. I'm getting fat. He's just putting on weight. And so we decided if we went to the Chinese buffet, okay, but we had to eat with chopsticks. It turns out we're great with chopsticks. Darren eats rice and ice cream with chopsticks. So we're going to garage sales. There were not many. Very disappointing. But we drove past this really small one, you know, the one table sparsely. And Darren's like, do you want to stop? And we're going real slow. I'm like, no. And then as we got up here, I'm looking back. I said, you know, there's a box, and I think it's a doll box. And I'm sure he's thinking, oh, sure. So we went up the road to look for the big garage sale, which was advertised. Turns out the little one was it. So we turned around and came back down, and indeed, there was a doll in a box on the ground. This was marked. Well, I asked her, it was not marked. And I said, how much do you want for the baby alive? And she said that she wanted $10. And I thought, you know, I love my baby alive dolls, but I've got most of them. Well, I've got all of them. She's actually moving, and her little feet are moving. Can you hear that? And anyway, she was marked $10, and I thought, I just don't want to spend $10. But it was a moving sale, and I knew it was a moving sale, and I love moving sales because when people have moving sales, they don't care. They just, if they can get 25 cents for it and not move it or not throw it away, they're happy. I offered her $5. She agreed immediately. Felt kind of bad, and I told her, I said, would you take less for this? And she said, well, how much less? And I said, well, I don't want to insult you, but to me, she's worth $5 to me. So here she is. I am doing a collab with another channel. We're doing scavenger hunts for dolls in thrift stores and garage sales. It's really fun, but I am failing. There just aren't any. So I got a baby alive, and I'll tell you more about that collab later when we both talk about it. But yeah, she's real cute and comes with everything. We're going to do an unboxing with this doll, and you'll see her again in the collab. She's going to stomp her feet. The only other thing, oh no, I did get a couple things at garage sales. I got these. I'm going to tell you how vintage these are. They are very heavy, probably metal. We'll know in a minute. They came from Walmart, and they were 88 cents. Darren says, does it have a barcode? And he laughed because that's a sticker. So these have been around a while. To me, these are American Girl Christmas plates. And there are, I think, 8 in here. Yeah, a set of 8. Huh. When was the last time you saw a set of 8 coasters? Usually they're 4. Yep, metal. Aren't these cute? 50 cents. I thought, you know, this would really be cute this winter. And I'm like, well, that's odd. 7 of the same and 1 odd one? Huh, weird. But they're cute, and they're metal, and they're fun, and 50 cents. And then, where is that? Went to another garage sale. They had baby clothes. And, you know, those fit my 38-inch Barbies. Like these t-shirts fit the 38-inch Barbies. This one looks a little babyish. I may or may not take the ribbon off, but it has a bicycle print and a dog out walking the dog print. Well, that's me. I'm all about bicycle prints, and I'm always walking my dog every day. Katie, we don't own the farmland around us. We only own the 10 acres, but Katie can't be loose out there. And then I got these little pants. That's going to be so cute. These will be like capris. And I'm looking at them thinking, I wonder if I could take these in for my 28-inch Barbies. So we'll look at that another day. I am always looking for Thanksgiving items. I love doing holiday videos, and Thanksgiving is the hardest holiday anymore. It didn't used to be like this to find things for. So I found this. Isn't that the cutest? And that'll be cute on one of my 38-inch Barbies. Look at this. How cute is that? That's like a turkey chick. How cute. So then we went to a few stores. I found these the other day for $1.97 at Walmart. Why did I get these? My bicycling, or my cyclist, Blythe, Daisy, named Daisy, for her hair. I'm going to put these in some, put some on a headband and some in clips. Yesterday at Walmart, it's kind of fun when Darren goes to the craft area with me. Usually he doesn't. Darren grocery shops and cooks. We have an agreement. He likes to cook. I hate it. He likes to pick out groceries. I hate it. So I do the cleaning after he cooks. I make easy stuff, like sandwiches, breakfasts, that kind of stuff. But yesterday he wasn't buying anything, so he went with me and he found some things. They have these really nice little scissors. If you are in the clearance item and you see these for $1, these make good little grab craft scissors, especially good for like if you're crocheting or knitting or whatever, just a little pair of cheap $1 scissors. I actually have a pair, well, I have a couple pairs of these and was looking for more. Look at these cute prints. I wanted something nautical, and not only did I get nautical, I got 4th of July, and well, yeah, it's 4th of July, let's not kid ourselves. Red, white, and blue. Patriotic, I love it. And then Darren found this. Y'all know I am loving all the flamingo prints. And he actually found a couple. One I passed on. It was a little more expensive and not as cute. But look at this. This is a lot like, this is a fat quarter. This is a lot like the flamingo print I have, but yet different. So I can work this in with two of, well, actually 3 of the other prints I have, and it will really look nice. We went to the Dollar Tree. Y'all know I love the Dollar Tree. I bought another one of these fashion packs. I bought it for the t-shirt. It's $1. I'm thinking I might try to applique something to that. I don't know, because white t-shirts are nice to have around. Of course, you get the Barbie shoes and the Barbie purse. And I've said before, these little purple, what are we going to call those, leggings, look really cute on Blythe or Barbie. I like those. Well, I got this for my grandson. My grandson's graduating. I have 4 granddaughters, 1 grandson, and a great-grandson. They had this Chanel, I don't know, what do you call it, Chanel, in black. I bought this before in yellow and purple, and it really makes a pretty little skirt. But I want to make some black items for my golf doll. And I thought, you know what, I can make a dress out of that and make it kind of cool. We'll see. I'll probably make one, but it won't be kind of cool. Speaking of Blythe, I've been doing a face-up, and I needed some powdered blush, so I bought that for $1. This is from a thrift store. My son, my middle son, recently got the coolest Jeep. I love Jeeps. And he told us that when you see a cool Jeep, to compliment them, you take one of those little rubber ducks and you put it in their door handle. And he said, everybody that owns a Jeep knows. Well, there's this purple Jeep in our town, and I want to put one on it. And I have one for that. But I found these for $1. And my Blythe dolls like to hold these, and they're cute with Barbie in the summertime. And so I bought them. I like this particular thrift store because they sell their earrings and they sell everything cheap. I got 3 pairs of post earrings for 50 cents, and I got 2 pairs for 50 cents, and these are what I really wanted. These are the post hoop earrings, which are fantastic on dolls. For the Blythe dolls, I will have to put a little bit of hot glue on that and bend it just a little bit. I bend it before I do the hot glue because the Blythe dolls have a little bit bigger hole. When we pierce our dolls' ears, we pierce them small enough so that you can just press these in and they stay. But at any rate, I got 5 pairs for $1. Really tickled about those. And then we went to Hobby Lobby. Love Hobby Lobby. I always pick up, when you go to the Chinese restaurant, help yourself to a pair of, or a set of chopsticks, because these make great craft sticks. I use these for a lot of things, but to turn stuff inside out. I'm working on a new dress pattern that I've created of a little summer dress that's reversible, but it's hard to turn inside out. Hard, I tell you, it's hard. Okay, they had McCall patterns for $1.99. I got a couple for Barbie. I'm going to be working on, well, some things. And I got some lace to do that. Like I said, I'm working on that golf doll, or I'm going to be working on it. And then I got some fantastic fabric. Really tickled. I got some summer seashell sand print and another summer print with lobsters. Isn't that the cutest? I've looked at this like 8 times and I didn't buy it, and I thought, just get a quarter yard. Quarter yard goes a long way with the smaller dolls. I love this print. I use this for a lot of things. This is Jackie. You've met her before. She is not shoeless. She is barefoot for the summer. And I made her this little dress with Snoopy on it. I just love it. I made her another little dress, and it's a wraparound kind of dress. And I had it just right. I mean, like just right. And I took it off, and I had it in my craft stuff because I was going to finish one little thing. I think I was putting the snap in the back. I don't know what I was thinking. I came along, I was cutting fabric, it was laying there. I cut it off. What was I thinking? But anyway, I got more of this print. And what I like is you can take any of the characters. What you're hearing in the background is my Yorkie, who would like for me to get the rawhide from the German Shepherd for her. Anyway, you can take any of these characters and put them as the main character on the front of the dress. Love that. Love, love, love that. And so I got more of it. And I found, yes, indeed, more flamingo print. I'm in love with it. And I'm buying extra because next year or the year after, you won't find a flamingo anywhere. And look at this. This is a brand new print. And like I said, I'm always looking for Thanksgiving prints that they're hard to find anymore. And when you do, it's rather large print, and y'all know I need that small print for the smaller dolls. Now, I can do this same dress with or without sleeves and put the Snoopy on it too. So I'm kind of excited about it. I went ahead, I wasn't going to get a yard, but the guy that was waiting on me said, we're not getting any more of that in. So if you like this, go to Hobby Lobby and buy it now. He happened to be the guy who orders the fabrics. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I hope you enjoyed our haul. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.